So today I'm going to document for the first time how I create an abstract expressionism painting. Behind me is a 5 by 6 foot canvas that's ready to go. I've set it up the studio, so there's plastic behind it and on the ground. So I might have to lay the canvas down, so I think the space is big enough to allow me to do that. The other thing is I'm using acrylic paints for the first time. I've been using oils on canvas since I was 9, so for the past 20 years. So trying acrylics for the first time, so wish me luck. Okay, so this is the underpainting. It's basically a sunset. It's very thin, and so far I can tell you that this is my first time painting with acrylics, and I'm really enjoying the fact that they're drying very quickly. Currently I'm using only medium to basically dilute them a little bit in water, and I'm actually working with this sea sponge I can show you, which I'm also really enjoying. This is just something you wouldn't be able to do with oils. I can easily wash it out with water. So I like the idea that I can paint with using water, and I can wash things, and it's just great so far. So I will put this on a time lapse so you can see me do the rest of it. So that's it for painting today. I'm losing daylight and I don't like to paint with artificial lights. I do like the daylight. So plus I ended up finishing with a thicker layer of the blue, and I do want to pull forward the warm tones. And in order to do that, I actually need to wait for the cool tones to first dry. So yes, I will continue tomorrow. So this is part 1 of painting in acrylics for the first time. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is day 2 of painting this abstract painting. I will go over and show you a little bit. First of all, like, one addition is I ended up getting some gloves because I got a bunch of paint on my hands yesterday, and it doesn't wash off once it's dry. So I just mixed up a bunch of shades here: yellow, orange, and pink, and they're all pastels, and I diluted them slightly with water. And I will continue to do the same technique that I used here. So, okay, hyperlapse next.